Hello, so we are back, and this time we have a nice laptop to repair. Check here. It's a Acer A515 and NVIDIA graphics. The problem with this one, the laptop it is coming on, and it's working. But if I plug the charger, yeah, so this is my charger, and it's taking no current, nothing. Let's see. And no charges sign out, so you can see, so basically it's not charging. If I try with the customer charger, I do have the customer charger here. Plug in the charger, still no charging sign. So what could be the problem? Can be a charging port problem? Can be. This has a dedicated graphic chip, so it's taking probably some current. But I will say, let's open and let's have a look. If I remember, Acer, they have that charging port with that extra pin which is sensing if it's plugged all the way in, right? If I remember. I mean, I think we have few videos with that pin. Let me quickly open the laptop. And we have one hinge, one screw from a broken hinge probably. And yeah, now it's coming out. And that's the laptop inside. Yeah, I want to check here. Is that the charging port? Check there. You can see two pins here on the sides. Let's take out the hinge in order to reach the charging port. Okay, the hinge is out, and we can test very simple. Yeah. So you take the multimeter, one to ground and one on this pin, and you have 0.4, and here nothing. Okay, that sucks. I can't prove the point. Good, that's fine, that's okay. So plug in the charger, and it's doing nothing. Let's check the voltage. And the voltage is like over 20. Okay, let me lower the voltage on the power supply. And we have, check that, 19.4. And on that pin, we have, check that, yeah? So one more time, we are speaking about a specific pin. So we are speaking about that pin, yeah? Yeah, this one. You have one here, that's ground, that's plus. You can see on the screen 19.4. And this one, it will sense the charger if it's all the way plugged in. And this pin has voltage because it's not connected to ground. So what is the solution? The solution is very simple. You can test it like that. So I will unplug the charger. I will short this pin to ground. Yeah, shorting the pin to ground. And now I'm plugging the charger. Check the screen. Check the power meter. Check on the screen. 200 milliamps, and probably the current it will goes up. Check there. 1.2 amps. You can see. Yeah, and if I take the tweezer out, it's not charging anymore. Yeah. I mean, you can see the port is fine. It's okay. I can see a crack solder there, but it's not a big deal. You know what I mean? It's still looking good. But because of that pin, which probably is super used, it will not charge even if the charging port is good. I'm just saying. I always said, you do some improvements. Okay, I get that. You want the customer to be sure he's plugging the cable all the way in. But just complicating the schematic, yeah? Actually, your improvement, it will create more faults compared with this charging port without that pin. It's kind of crazy. Yeah, I know. And this is like a common fault on these charging ports. Yeah, it's a common fault. I'm not sure how they had this brilliant idea, but yeah, it is what it is. The solution is a proper calibrated wire from ground. Let me unplug the charger. Yeah, from ground here. Now, there is another way to fix this. Yeah, probably it is. But no one, it will replace the charging port because this pin which is sensing the charger all way plugged in. No way. I cannot believe that. Led me to not believe actually someone need to replace the port because of that pin. No, no, no way, no way, no way. So plug in the charger. Check that, 200 milliamps. Let's wait. 1.2 amps, and you can see it's charging fine. Now, what we can do regarding with actually the fact this is kind of loose, yeah? Let's try to do something about that. I mean, let me see what we have here. We have that thingy, yeah. Let's press a little bit down, and now it's not that loose. Yeah, now it's better. So what I'm gonna do, yeah, we'll do something about that. Where is my hot glue? Where is my hot glue? No hot glue anymore? Yeah, found it. Little bit of hot glue should solve the problem. Perfect. Check there, huh? Check there. Perfect. Absolutely beautiful. Now we can put a hinge on top. Let me put the screws meanwhile. It's cooling down. Yeah, the hinge is fine there. So we have one screw here and one here. So what will happen now if you are plugging the charger? Let me take the charger. Now if we are plugging the charge, look, proper hard is going inside. You can see, check that. Huh? Not that simple. You see, now you have that feeling. The hole is tighter and yeah, it's like brand new. You know what I mean? Check that. Yeah, perfect. Can we do something better? Yeah, we can do something better. We have to make sure, it will not get loose again. So I'm gonna use some hot glue on the top, and then I will come with the keys. Hot glue, perfect. And now with the top case, let me put the screws. All screws are back in place. This is the customer charger. Check that. Proper nice. You can see? No, you can't see. It's too... Yeah, it's too bright, the laptop. Huh? You can see? I mean, now it's tight. Yeah. Huh? So what do you think about that? This is the customer charger. Let's see if the customer charger is charging. I can't see any orange light. Yeah, it is. So check that. It is charging fine. Not sure if you can see it. Yeah, orange light. And we have the charging sign there. Moving the charger up and down all around is charging fine. Maybe for you it's looking dodgy, but not for me. For me, it's just, it's a poor design. And if this looks like an improvement, actually it's doing worse compared if you have like a normal charging port. Like we have charging ports for so many years, round pin, and without anything to sense if the charger is all the way plugged in. So yeah, that's how you do it if you have this kind of repair. I'm gonna stop here. I will say thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye. Hey, If you find my content being helpful, don't forget you can support this channel by pressing the join button, and you can get instantly access to our members only cool collection and Discord private channels for support with your repairs. Also, you can have a look on our United Kingdom eBay, where you can find some cool and unique products, United States eBay store, or our Patreon page. Thank you.